So I made a video the other day talking about make more money. On that video, I covered the extra things I did for my client that they didn't pay for and they wasn't expecting. And because of that, I also mentioned that the client considered calling me back to shoot their Christmas event. And I did promise that if that happened, I was gonna give you guys an update and let you know. And that has actually happened, guys. So it does pay off. Don't listen to these other people talking about, just do you, basically. Don't listen to people when they're trying to tell you not to work for free and not to do extra and not to go the extra mile and things like that, because customer services is what brings clients back. It does not matter how good your service, it doesn't matter how good your product is. If your customer service is shit, the client is not going to come back. The client is not going to call you back. It's just blunt, bottom line, that's how it is. You know, it's all about customer services. Like, I've known products where it's absolutely amazing, regardless, whether it's the barber shop, whether it's you're buying an item, whether you're going into a specific shop, whether you're going into a mall, a store, somewhere fancy. It does not matter. If the customer service, the person that you encounter, is rubbish, is bad, is the attitude is shit, you feel like you're not getting a good service, you're not going to go back and you're not going to recommend it. It's bottom line, that's what it is. So yeah, it doesn't hurt to do a little bit extra. It doesn't hurt to give more, because the more you give is the more you get. It is what it is. So yes, I just want to say, guys, I'm really happy that they've called me back. They were so eager to have me do the job that they were talking about how flexible they are. Like, I don't have to be there for the full 8 hours. Obviously I want to, because that's more money, right? But the point is that they really want me to come and shoot, and they want to be as flexible as possible to make sure that happens. So yeah, guys, so if you are starting out and you're new to corporate photography, it's extremely important that you understand that customer service goes a long way above everything else. Yeah, you don't have to be the best photographer in the world. You don't have to have the best gear in the world. Your results can be a little bit shaky. Yes, they might not be happy about a few things, but if you have all of those things on point and your customer service is poor, you're not going to get the call back, and they are going to go with someone else, and they will probably go with someone else that's worse than you and be unhappy with the quality but happy with the customer service. So anyway, guys, like I always say, let's get this corporate money. Keep it simple, don't quit.